Anna isn't just a house, it's a space to reconnect with nature and yourself. It changes shape with the seasons, so it stays cozy in winter and open to the breeze in summer. Want to watch the sunrise? Just slide the sections open. Hosting a party? Turn the open area into a dance floor. The flexible design offers endless possibilities, all within a single smart structure. Depending on the model, it can reach up to 57 millisquares of space. You can choose a fully off-grid version or one connected to infrastructure. Prices start at $590,000. In total, 365 Anna cabins are planned. You can build this compact 3 by 6 meter house, but be ready. It'll cost around $193,000. And that's without furniture. Pricey? Yes, but it's a beautiful, clever use of just 25 millisquares. Inside, there's room for a bedroom, bathroom, and cozy living area. Of course, you'll need to get creative with the layout. For example, imagine tucking a washing machine between the sofa and kitchen sink, though when it starts spinning, it might feel like a mini massage. And those large, gorgeous windows? Stunning, but you'll want curtains that balance privacy with the view. This little marvel proves you don't need a big space to live smart and stylish. The Eco Capsule is a smart, eco-friendly tiny home designed by nice architects. Shaped like an egg or a rugby ball, its unique design grabs attention right away. But it's not just about looks. The inside is just as impressive. It comes with all the essentials: a hot shower, Wi-Fi, and clean energy. The home runs on solar power, 2.8 kilowatts, stored in a 28.8 kilowatt-hour battery, making it ideal for off-grid living. The standard model comfortably fits 2 people, while the XL version can house up to 4. Whether for full-time living or a getaway in nature, the Eco Capsule offers modern comfort in a compact space. Prices start at $107,000. Meet the Houseboat by Aqua House, a cozy floating home that lets you enjoy both comfort and freedom on the water. The Harmonia 310 model costs $84,200 and offers 17 millisquares of living space, including a living room, bedroom, and kitchen. It comes fully equipped with heating, air conditioning, furniture, and all the essentials for a relaxing stay. Power comes from a solar system by Victron Energy with 2 360W panels. For entertainment, there's a smart TV, Glow Max antenna, radio, and 2 speakers. Whether you want a peaceful weekend getaway or a unique lifestyle on the water, this houseboat has everything you need. Huga homes by Rilga are built with reinforced concrete, making them tough enough to withstand hurricanes, earthquakes, and even armed intruders. But don't let that fool you. They're far from cold bunkers. Inside the 45 millisquare space, you'll find a cozy setup with a bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, living and dining area, and even a relaxing corner. And if that's not enough, the home can be expanded. The basic model costs $75,000 and can be assembled in just one day. Rilga's mission is simple but powerful: to provide safe, comfortable, and affordable housing for everyone, tackling the global housing shortage one smart home at a time. Longhouse Kits offers unique hybrid kits that blend garden sheds and small cabins. Starting at just 6.7 millisquares, these compact spaces may seem pricey at first, from X thousand dollars, but they offer great value. Each kit comes with pre-cut, easy-to-assemble parts, like building a giant Lego set. You don't need to be a carpenter to put one together. Over time, you can upgrade features like switching fixed windows for ones that open. What really sets these kits apart is their look. The beautiful Western red cedar from Canada gives them a warm, natural feel. Mystique tent cabins are a perfect upgrade for any camping area. Unlike regular tents, they offer true comfort while still blending beautifully into nature, thanks to their smart design. One standout feature is the mirrored glass, which reflects the surroundings and makes the cabins nearly invisible in the landscape. Standard models come in 21 or 25 square meters and feel just like a luxury hotel suite. You'll find a cozy large bed, a spotless bathroom, and even a stylish workspace that sparks creativity. Whether you're looking to relax or get inspired by nature, Mystique offers the perfect setting to do both. Prefab X flip homes stand out for their incredibly fast setup. You can move in just 8 hours after installation. The Prefab X team even takes care of the furniture and interior design for you. One of their main models, the Classic A, offers 39.3 millisquares of cozy space, ideal for a small family of up to 3 people. Don't let the size fool you. It's just as strong and durable as a traditional brick house. What's more, it's so light and easy to install that it can even be placed on the rooftop of another building. Whether you need a quick home solution or a stylish upgrade, Ross Cabins are cozy mobile hotel rooms scattered across Germany, designed to bring you closer to nature without needing to travel far. Why go on a long trip when a peaceful retreat might be waiting just nearby? Each cabin offers all the essentials and more. You'll find a skylight above the bed for stargazing, a well-placed bathroom, and large windows that frame beautiful views. A wood-burning stove keeps things warm and cozy, while the compact kitchen includes a sink and a 2-burner stove, perfect for simple meals. Smart Dome, a dome home as affordable as a car. Imagine having a home you can set up almost anywhere, from mountain villages to treetop spots. That's the idea behind Smart Dome, compact, eco-friendly domes with a sleek, modern design. Each dome is about 6 meters wide and 3.3 meters tall, made with a sturdy steel frame. The modular panels can include mineral wool insulation to keep things cozy. These domes are all about living in harmony with nature, and can even include tech like hydroponic systems for growing food. They're lightweight, easy to install, and designed to blend into their surroundings. Would you live in one of these futuristic little homes, priced about the same as a car? The team at Dragon Tiny Homes knows how to make a big impact with small spaces. Meet their smallest model, the Element 610, just 12.5D, yet smartly designed to feel open and spacious. It includes a bathroom, laundry area, and even a roomy loft for sleeping. Every part of the layout has been thoughtfully planned to maximize comfort and function. Built on a trailer, it's perfect for those who dream of traveling while always feeling at home. Best of all, it's far more affordable than many other options on the market, with prices starting at just $21,500. Whether you're downsizing, going mobile, or simply want a cozy space of your own, the Balachon Nano is a tiny 7 square house on wheels. A cozy little retreat perfect for travel or camping. Built on a 3.3-meter trailer, it's super compact, but still has everything you need. A kitchen, a workspace, and room to sleep 2 adults and a child. Despite its small size, it offers the comfort of a full-sized home. Weighing just 1.6 tons and built on a single axle, it's light enough to be moved manually with a bit of help. That means you can easily push it into place at a campsite or parking area. Whether you're dreaming of road trips or looking for a flexible living solution, the Nano is designed to bring a little happiness wherever you go.